Good morning friends, my name is Wasim Khan. Today we are at Bright Skoda dealership, which is a world's first Skoda dealership called as Experience Center. This is located at Noida, Sector 6. So we'll have a complete walk around of the showroom. This showroom has a facility of 3S, सेल्स सर्विस एंड स्पेस. अंदर स्कोडा की पोर्टफोलियो में अभी कौन कौन सी गाड़ियां हैं अवेलेबल फॉर सेल्स, हम उनको कवर अप करेंगे, शोरूम की फैसिलिटीज को कवर अप करेंगे. सो while entering the showroom you can see that the hygiene is being taken care very well. यहाँ पे पहले मेरा टेम्परेचर चेक होगा, उसके बाद में एंटर करने को दिया जाएगा फ्रेंड्स. सो हाइजीन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. Secondly, I have been asked to use the sanitizer here, so I'll use the sanitizer first and then I can enter at the showroom. Okay, spare me for the mask friends because I need to make a video, so I'm not wearing a mask right now, but I'm maintaining a social distancing here. So let's go around, let's have a look at the showroom. So as you can see the showroom, it is beautifully built. The showroom is beautifully built. You can see the showroom in and out. This is the car display area where all the Skoda cars are parked in a very nice and decent manner. Okay, and if you see around in the showroom, you will find that this showroom has a capacity to display 5 to 6 cars at a moment, and we have an experience delivery area as well where a Karoq is parked right now. We'll cover up that also later. Okay, if you look at the interiors and the fixtures and fittings of the showroom, everything has been imported from Czech Republic. Okay, so this showroom has been built very carefully, keeping small things into consideration. Each and everything, even if you look at the doormats, they are also imported from Czech Republic. So this is called a quality, this is called experience. When a customer walk into a showroom, so he experienced the luxury. This is a customer lounge and the videos for Skoda cars are playing over there. Okay, you can see the quality of the furniture as well. So this basically gives a feeling of premiumness, that how premium the showroom is. It's a very nice showroom, I would say, and LCD is running in front of me. Alright, so I've shown you the customer area as well. Here it's a very unique thing which I can see here. So friends, this is the way where you can see the color, which color you want for your Skoda car. It's a very unique concept, I must say. It's a very beautiful concept. You know, it's looking so nice over here. This is a new concept friends, which you are seeing in the video, in the screen, where you can assemble your kind of car. Okay, and this has got many things. Here you can see the games as well. अगर बच्चे आपके साथ आए हैं, they can play hockey here. Okay, they can play hockey. All right, and at the same time you can configure your Skoda car as well. Here you can see languages, quick menu, models, then superb car visualization. Now here you can see, okay, here you can visualize your Skoda Superb car, where you can opt for the colors you like. Alright, then you can have a look at the wheels you want, interiors, the kind of interiors you want. So basically you can personalize your car. Alright, there is a quick menu, then reasons to buy Skoda car, why you should buy a Skoda car. Every reason has been mentioned here with all the videos. You can see this has got an electric tailgate and every feature has been shown in this thing, very nice way. Okay, where you can sitting on the couches, very relaxing couches I can find here. Something which is very unique, my friends. This is something very unique and very beautiful concept which has been brought by Skoda India, I would say. So let me show you around the new Skoda Octavia VRS, which is a performance car basically. The car is looking awesome in this corridor red color. This is a corridor red color, my friends. Okay, which is coming up with a new sporty grille. This grille comes with VRS models only. You can see there are fog lamps in the front of the car. Then we have headlight washers. Since this car is for sports purpose, so this has got a headlight washers as well. If the lights gets dirty, you can use them to clean up the car. So this Skoda Octavia VRS comes with the DRLs, then LED lights are there, beautifully placed. These lights are cornering as well. If you turn the steering of the car, the lights will turn automatically so that it gives you the proper lighting on the road. Suppose if you are turning the car left, the lights will turn left towards. Okay, if you are turning the car right, the lights will turn to the right onwards. So this is a very nice feature, like if you are going on a hilly areas and you are driving, so this really helps out. This feature really helps out. I have experienced this feature personally. So this comes with the logo in the center of the bonnet, which looks very appealing, and this gives a very elegant look to the car. Okay, then this has got a auto retractable mirrors with the side indicators, and this is coming in black color. It gives a contrast look to the car. It is a company fitted thing. It is not done outside. So if you look at the tire profile of this car, this is 225/40R, 18 inches. So which gives you a very good grip on the car. This comes with 4 disc brakes. Every wheel has got a disc brake feature here, front disc and rear disc as well. If you look at the windscreen, friends, this comes with the rain sensor wipers. If a raindrop is there on the screen, the automatic wiper will function. Alright, and then if you look at the side profile of the car, it is really beautiful, enhanced look. It comes with the badging of Skoda. You can see the badging of Skoda at the rear. At the center you have a Skoda logo, Octavia VRS. This car has got dual exhaust. Okay, both are functional. So basically this gives you a feel of you are driving a sports car. Okay, both the exhausts are functional, dual exhausts are being given in the car. It has got a rear camera as well. Rear camera is there. At the rear screen you have a defoggers. Okay, then you have a shark fin antenna as a standard feature. Then you have a rear spoiler as well as a standard feature again. So everything has been covered in this car. You name the feature, it is there. If you look at the left hand side of the car, it's beautifully designed. You can see the car is looking awesome. So this comes with the auto lid for fuel tank. This has a fuel tank capacity of 55 liters. With one tank full, you can drive the car for about 650 kilometers, which is not bad actually. The company claims the average of 12.2 kilometers per liter, which is a great average, I would say. So with one tank, you can drive the car for about 650 kilometers on an average. This car has got a keyless entry. Okay, if the key is there with the car, you don't need to press any button, and then it will open automatically. Keyless entry. This is the security system of the car, is very enhanced. You look at the door panel, very refined, and it gives you a luxury feel when you are sitting inside the car. This has got a control for the side mirrors. Okay, you need to turn it on wherever you want. If you want to adjust the right mirror, you can simply put it on the right, and then you can adjust it the way you want. There are buttons for the power windows. Okay, all 4 power windows with a window lock is there. Alright, and if you look at the seats of the car, the seats are designed ergonomically, and the seats are designed in a very sporty manner. These are sport seats basically, since it's a performance car. Okay, which gives you a support. Your body will not roll over while driving the car. Okay, this has got a steering with a little curve here, so this also gives a feeling of a sportiness. Alright, now let me show you the seat adjustments of the car. Okay, this comes with the automatic seats. Okay, so here you can do the adjustments. If you want to take it forward, you can take it rear. You can adjust the height of the seats as well. You can take it up, you can take it down. This comes with the lumbar support as well. Lumbar support is there. Memory feature is there. Okay, you can set the positions of the car, set at 1, 2, 3. If 3 different people at your house want to drive the car, you just need to press 1 and the seat will go automatically to the position where you have functioned it. Okay, and the mirrors will automatically get adjusted. Alright, as you can see, it comes with a push start button. There is a push start button. Let me take you inside the car. So Skoda VRS comes with a integrated system which is made by Skoda itself. It's a Skoda system. So here you can see functions like you can connect to your phone, okay, where you can play music with your phone. All right, then you have a phone, you can take and receive calls as well. Voice command feature is also there. Okay, this is an intelligent feature. There is a voice command feature in the system, integrated fully system. Then navigation, this comes with the navigation. You need to put a chip in the car and then navigation will start. Okay, so here this gives you information about the car, smart link and all the features are there. I think too many features has been given here. So settings, you can set the screen, time, date, language, units. Okay, then if you go back to the menu, here you can have the images. This is a very a new technology which Skoda is giving in this car. Here you can connect your phone. Okay, you don't need to take the calls on your mobile phone, you can take the calls inside the car. Auto climate control is there. Auto climate control feature is being given in the car. So if you look inside the car is beautifully designed from inside as well. If you look at the steering wheel, it's a very sporty steering wheel given in this Skoda Octavia VRS. Since it's a performance car, so it has to come with this steering. So very, it gives you a premium and the racing experience basically. If you look at the paddles even, so paddles are being also designed the way a sports car and a performance car should be. Skoda Octavia VRS comes with the automatic version. It comes in petrol variant only. Skoda Octavia VRS comes with the automatic gear transmission with a 7-gear shift Rotronic. There is a P mode, then reverse, neutral, and you can drive the car in a manual mode. If you really want to feel the acceleration power of the car, you can put it in the manual mode. If you put in the reverse mode, automatic reverse camera will be started. It comes with the rear camera feature as well. Okay, rear camera is very important nowadays, friends. Okay, there is a button for locking and unlocking the car from inside. Okay, parking sensors you can put on the off mode if you don't want every time there is a beep coming in, so you can put it on off the parking sensors and you can put it on the way you want. Okay, and this comes with the lighter. There is a lighter given in the car and ashtray holder is there. With the glass holders, there are 2 glass holders here to keep your bottles and to keep your cans. Okay, there is an ashtray also given in the car. Very premium ashtray. Ashtray is also being provided, and there is a cup holder. 2 cup holders are there. Centrally placed adjustable armrest is there to give you a complete luxury feel. So if you look at the glove box, it has got enough storage to keep the papers of the cars and your important documents or whatever you want to keep. It has got a good storage as well in the glove box. Skoda Octavia VRS comes with a panoramic sunroof. So Skoda Octavia VRS comes with a 2-liter petrol engine, automatic transmission. It has got a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. Skoda cars are known for its performance basically, and it's a performance car. So I don't think so that performance would be any kind of issue with the car. It's a powerful engine, 2-liter engine. Okay, both the front seats are automatically adjusted. Automatic seats are there, both driver and passenger as well. And if I'm sitting at the rear seat, I find it very comfortable. Though it's a performance car doesn't have so much of space at the rear side, but this car has got a very good space at the rear as well. If you can see, I'm a 5'11", my height is 5'11", I can sit comfortably. This comes with the armrest. So armrest is also there, which is a very impressive thing in the car. The car has got at the rear seat armrest, you get the cup holders where you can enjoy your soft drinks or your drinks basically. This comes with the rear AC. Okay, so Skoda Octavia VRS comes with the rear AC vents as well. You can control the speed here, and it has got a USB ports as well where you can charge your phone if you need, or you can put the pen drives as well. And you have access to the boot. You have access to the boot as well. You need to pull it up and this way, and here you have access to the boot. So as far as safety is concerned, Skoda is always concerned about safety first. The built-up quality of the cars are extremely good. They are giving 9 airbags, so you are sitting in a safe cage. Basically, it's a safe cage. If you are going on a road, I'm sure you must be aware about it. And anti-locking braking system, EBS, and everything is there. And one more added feature in the car is it has got an automatic braking system. If the car find any object in front and you by chance miss it, the car will apply the brakes automatically. So these are the things which are there in the car, which makes the car really luxury and sporty. So we have given you a complete walk around of the Skoda Octavia VRS. If you really want to have a test drive of the car, or you want to book the car, you can book the car, or you can call for a test drive at the number given in the video. You can call, this is the direct number, and the sales manager of the Bright Skoda will get in touch with you, and they will ensure that they provide you the complete information of the car with respect to pricing, features and everything. So please feel free to contact the salesperson at Bright Skoda, and you will get a good deal and a good car as well. Thank you for watching.